This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, the Securalock anti-theft system, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and a rear spoiler. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Stop by our location at 100 Oxmoor Lane for the best deals on Ford and Lincoln vehicles. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoorflm.com.